Make yourself a healthy, creamy and delicious dessert simply by adding 2 ingredients to avocados. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. First of all, prepare 3 avocados. Cut them in half and remove the seed. Then, using a spoon, peel them directly into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of honey, and half a teaspoon of rose water. Now mix them using a food processor until they are creamy and smooth. They are now ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching.